In October, the University of California, Berkeley announced their plans to build an innovation center focused on space research and technology at the NASA Ames Research Park in Mountain View. The over $2 billion project, for which funds will be raised by private developer SKS Partners, promises to pair Berkeley students and faculty with NASA's resources and facilities. NASA Ames Director for Programs and Projects, Sydney Sun, says that this initiative will serve as a win-win for both parties.
We'd love to have faculty and students working with us to take advantage of these capabilities and doing research using these capabilities. And vice versa, NASA sees Berkeley as this reservoir of knowledge and brilliant young talent.
The Berkeley Space Center project is a part of the university's growing involvement in the field of space exploration and engineering. Just last year, Berkeley launched their new aerospace major as well. Project founder and executive director Derek DeFries envisions that the Space Center will allow Berkeley students to work and learn directly from NASA researchers as well as local tech companies.
Those are the companies that we want there that will partner with NASA and with UC Berkeley and come together to, solve deep tech problems. We envision working very closely with private industry and having them attract our student body and work on joint projects together.
In addition to its potential impact inside the classroom, the Berkeley Space Center is expected to support student organizations engaged in astrophysics and aeronautics. One such group is UC Berkeley's Space Technologies and Rocketry, which competes nationally in building and launching rockets. STAR President Arabi Achanta says that the exposure to NASA's state-of-the-art resources would allow her team to reach greater heights.
I think in terms of competition, having access to those resources, just honestly even being there with amazing mentorship opportunities with these awesome scientists, I think it could really put UC Berkeley apart and make us the #1 team in the world.
Achanta, who is a fourth-year student in Berkeley's astrophysics program, is encouraged by this trend of university investment into space sciences.
It's really, really important to keep investing in our future, especially the youth who are going to be carrying this aerospace knowledge into the future. And as we enter this new generation of commercial space travel, it's now crucial more than ever that we're making investments in these fields for long-term benefits.
While Berkeley's Hub for Innovation plans to ultimately focus on the mysteries of space, DeFries believes that the research conducted at the center could be used to tackle some of the biggest issues facing planet Earth today.
Technology that has been created for something that is the moonshot, literally and figuratively, can always be applied to Earth as well. So that's why we're focused on solving the biggest deep technology problems, because we know that those same technologies can help solve problems that we have closer home.
The Berkeley Space Center project is currently undergoing an environmental impact review, with construction expected to begin in 2026 and potential occupancy as early as 2027. For InFocus, I'm Aneesh Tiwari.